Animals that can cheat. Death is one of the few things every living creature must eventually face. Yet in nature, a handful of extraordinary animals seem to bend that rule in ways that continue to amaze scientists. They cannot live forever in every situation, but they possess biological abilities so unusual that researchers often describe them as animals capable of cheating death. Their survival strategies are helping scientists rethink aging, disease, and even the limits of life itself. The most famous example is the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. Unlike almost every other animal, it can reverse its own life cycle when it is injured, stressed, or starving. Instead of dying after reaching adulthood, its cells transform back into a juvenile stage through a process called transdifferentiation. This allows the jellyfish to begin life again, potentially repeating the cycle many times under the right conditions. Scientists are studying this remarkable ability to better understand aging and cellular repair. Another astonishing survivor is the tardigrade, often called the water bear. Barely visible without a microscope, it can survive extreme cold, intense heat, crushing pressure, powerful radiation, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions become unbearable, it enters a dehydrated state known as cryptobiosis. Its metabolism slows to almost zero, allowing it to remain dormant for years before returning to life when water becomes available again. The axolotl has become one of the most important animals in medical research because of its incredible regenerative powers. It can regrow entire limbs, sections of its spinal cord, parts of its heart, and even portions of its brain without forming major scars. Instead of replacing damaged tissue with scar tissue like humans do, the axolotl rebuilds complex structures almost perfectly, making it a valuable model for regenerative medicine. Deep beneath the ocean lives another master of survival, the Pompeii Worm. It survives around hydrothermal vents where temperatures can swing from near freezing to well above 80 degrees Celsius within a very short distance. A unique partnership with heat-resistant bacteria living on its body helps protect it from these extreme conditions, allowing it to thrive where very few animals can survive. The African lungfish demonstrates another remarkable strategy. During severe droughts, it buries itself in mud, secretes a protective mucus cocoon, and dramatically slows its metabolism. In this dormant state, it can survive for months and, in some cases, several years until rainfall returns and rivers refill. Wood frogs perform what seems impossible every winter. Much of the water inside their bodies freezes solid. Their hearts stop beating, and breathing ceases. As temperatures rise in spring, natural antifreeze compounds protect their cells while the ice melts. Their hearts begin beating again, and the frogs continue life as if nothing had happened. Scientists have also discovered bacteria and tiny microscopic organisms trapped inside ancient ice and deep underground that remain alive after thousands of years in dormant states. Although these organisms are very different from animals, they demonstrate that life can persist under conditions once believed impossible. Researchers caution that none of these creatures are truly invincible. They can still be killed by predators, disease, or environmental destruction. What makes them extraordinary is not immortality itself, but the biological mechanisms they evolved to survive situations that would quickly kill most other forms of life. Every new discovery reveals that evolution has produced survival strategies far beyond human imagination. By studying these remarkable animals, scientists hope to unlock new treatments for injuries, slow age-related diseases, improve organ preservation, and perhaps one day understand how living cells can repair themselves more effectively. The greatest lesson from these creatures is that nature often finds solutions long before humans even know the questions to ask.